So I've been using the iPhone 17 Pro Max for a while now, and being honest, this iPhone is great, but it has a few small issues. First up, I went with the silver color. I know a lot of people are into that shiny, vibrant orange color, but it wasn't for me. I went for a much more muted and timeless color. It looks great even with a case, and the most important part is that it is a lot less prone to scratches and scuffs. This year, Apple used aluminum instead of titanium on their Pro models. Aluminum definitely helps with heat dissipation, but at the end of the day, it scratches a lot easier, and if you don't use a case, it can be a nightmare to keep this phone in pristine condition. I'm using this clear case for my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it does the job pretty well. I have a few other cases too from Pitaka. They go really well with my silver iPhone 17 Pro Max. Orange iPhones are already turning pink, so there's definitely some sort of durability issue with this year's iPhone model. Anyway, the rest of the phone has been great. The only issue I faced was random Wi-Fi disconnection. I'm using the 512 gigabyte model, but it randomly disconnects from my home Wi-Fi network. This issue isn't there on any of my other Apple devices. I checked out the internet and it seems the issue is widely spread. I updated to iOS 26.0.1, but the issue was still there, and I even upgraded to iOS 26.1 Beta 4, and this random disconnection issue is still there. I don't know if this is a hardware issue or a software glitch that is affecting my unit. Apart from that, I'm facing no issues at all. The performance has been great and the cameras are superb. The telephoto camera, to be precise, is also doing great. There's not a massive difference in quality and performance when comparing it with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but now the image is cleaner and noise-free at higher zoom levels. The PWM dimming technology is helping me too. I've been getting less eye strain lately after turning on this feature. If you have an iPhone 17 model, I'd highly recommend turning on this option if you get a lot of eye strain. I'm using a screen protector, so I wasn't able to test the new anti-reflective coating. Some people on the internet are saying not to use a screen protector at all, as it can ruin the anti-reflective coating. But for me, the safety of the display comes first, which is why I'm using this borderless screen protector. The display this year is a lot brighter, and now it goes up to 3000 nits. Although I use my iPhone mostly indoors, so I'm not really benefiting from that. Sound quality is about the same as the iPhone 16 Pro. I haven't noticed any drastic difference in sound quality. Moving on to battery life, the most crucial part for a lot of people. Battery life on this iPhone is just crazy good. Many tests, like from PhoneBuff, already show the winner is clearly the iPhone 17 Pro Max, beating the Galaxy S25 Ultra from Samsung. It's easily a 2-day battery life smartphone for me. I charge it daily, and I have kept the battery charging limit to 80% as it helps preserve the battery health. Overall, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are solid phones from Apple this year. There are a few issues like the scratch gate and Wi-Fi issues, but other than that, this phone is phenomenal. If you have an iPhone 15 Pro or older, I'd suggest trying out this phone for once and you'll definitely like it a lot. If you're using an iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, then let me know in the comments how your experience has been so far. And with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.